Okay, so I'm going to show you how to connect to the DFET cloud. In this case, I'm using VMware Fusion, and we're going to connect to the vCenter cloud. And obviously, if you have Windows, you'll have VMware Workstation. So I run a Mac here, and what I can do is I can basically go into Windows quite easily, and then I can go back and forward between Windows and Mac. Okay, it's a very useful method, and I have all my virtual machines actually with inside VMware Fusion. Okay, so what we're actually going to do is that we're going to connect to vCenter. Okay, so here are my virtual machines that I've created here, and I'm just going to add. So going to add, and we're going to add a new connection. So we're going to connect to a server. Okay, so in this case, just put in the address, and just going to connect this one just now. Okay, so it just takes a little minute to connect. So there we go. Should be getting set up now. There we go. So there's the top level that we have, and then below there we can see all our folders. So you should find it's in production, and there is crypto. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this folder here, and I'm going to power it on. Okay, so that's powered on. And it's just going to boot up. So I just let that boot up. In fact, just to show you that it all works well, I'm going to just expand down here, and what we'll do is that we'll actually open up another one. And I'm going to open up one here. Let's see if we can get a Ubuntu node. There we go, Viata, pfSense, and let's go for Ubuntu. It's already running, so we'll just actually get it connected. Okay, so here we are over here. That's going fine. I'm just going to get logged in to my Kali instance. At the same time, our Ubuntu one is just starting up. There we go. Lovely. Okay, so obviously this one is actually getting used, or has been used. There we go. And we can ping our own port 192.168.57.7. And I think we may have a gateway here in terms of our firewall. It's not been set up yet, never mind. Here we are over here with Kali. Okay, so I'm just going to give it an address. Just takes a little minute. Okay, so it's now got an IP address. Everything's fine there. And I just show you Kali running. So there's our other password attacks, and I think we've got off crack to show that the internet connection works here. Perfect. There we go. So we have connectivity, all running on our virtual cloud environment. And I just show you some off crack. Okay, so with this we can open up a pwdump file, and here's one here, and we've got a rainbow table set up. I'm just going to run it. Okay, so all quite happy, we're running there, and there we go, we can even get it into a desktop. How good is that? So there we go, get our other one into there. So we actually have Ubuntu, there's our Kali one, and that's back into our vCenter. Okay, so you can see it's a great environment to be able to connect if you have Fusion or VMware Workstation, to actually set the whole environment up in VMware Fusion and Workstation. Okay, so I'm just going to quit, and that shows you how you connect to the DFET cloud.